If you run a small business, you've probably felt overwhelmed by customer support. The constant emails, the DMs asking about shipping, returns, or what time do you open? It never ends. Hiring staff might seem like the answer, but for many, it's just too expensive. That's where AI chatbots come in. In 2025, smart business owners aren't hiring teams. They're installing bots that work 24/7, handle 80% of support, and never ask for a paycheck. In this video, we're diving into how you can set up AI customer service without breaking the bank, and which tools give you the most bang for your budget. Let's get into it. Why small businesses need AI chatbots. The way customers interact with businesses has changed. People want immediate answers, no matter the time of day. If someone messages you at midnight with a question about shipping and they don't get a response within 5 minutes, chances are they'll bounce and maybe never come back. For big companies, this isn't a problem. They have support teams, call centers, and round-the-clock reps. But small businesses don't have that luxury. That's why AI chatbots are an absolute game changer. These bots respond instantly, around the clock, and don't require training, salaries, or vacation time. They can answer questions, guide customers to products, update them on orders, or even help book appointments, all while you sleep. Instead of hiring someone to work overnight, you install a chatbot once and let it run. It's like having an employee that never calls in sick, never takes a break, and works every single holiday. If you're still doing customer service manually, you're wasting time, money, and possibly losing business without even knowing it. What AI chatbots can actually do. Today's AI chatbots are way more powerful than those clunky bots from 5 years ago. They can hold real conversations, detect intent, pull answers from your website, and even complete transactions. For small businesses, this means the bot becomes your first line of support. When someone lands on your site and asks a question, the bot can instantly provide your store hours, help them track their order, explain your return policy, or guide them to the perfect product. And if someone wants to schedule a service or make a booking, many bots can sync with your calendar or scheduling app and handle that too. Some of them are smart enough to qualify leads, asking a few simple questions and determining whether the person is serious or just browsing. If a complex issue arises, the bot can escalate the conversation to a real human and even email you the entire chat history. So even when you're unavailable, your bot ensures no one is left hanging. It's responsive, consistent, and always on brand. Affordable tools that deliver the goods. You might be wondering, okay, but how much does this actually cost? The good news is that there are AI chatbot tools built specifically for small businesses with small budgets. Tidio is one of the most popular platforms. It combines live chat with AI and works great for Shopify or WordPress stores. You can build automated responses to frequently asked questions, and it even tracks visitor behavior. ManyChat is another strong option, especially if most of your customer interaction happens through Facebook or Instagram. You can build chat flows using simple visual tools, and it's perfect for turning DMs into sales without lifting a finger. Then there's Chatbase, which lets you train a GPT-powered chatbot on your own website. You just upload your FAQs or product pages, and the bot learns everything about your business in minutes. And if you want something that feels almost human, Botsonic and other GPT-based chatbots can create natural-sounding conversations that adapt to your customer's tone. All of these tools offer free plans or low-cost monthly options, usually far less than what you'd pay a part-time staff member. How to set up your own AI customer support. Setting up your own AI chatbot isn't complicated. It just takes a bit of planning. Start by listing out the top 10 or 15 questions your customers ask you regularly. These will form the foundation of your chatbot's knowledge base. Then, pick a platform that fits your business. If you're an online store, choose one that integrates with your site builder, like Tidio or Botpress. If you get lots of questions via social media, ManyChat might be your go-to. Once you're inside the platform, use their templates or flows to plug in your answers and test it live. Most tools allow you to preview how the bot responds and adjust the tone or phrasing. Make sure you personalize it, add your logo, a friendly bot name, and greetings that match your brand voice. Finally, enable chatbot access across all your channels, website, Facebook, WhatsApp, so it works everywhere your customers reach you. Once live, your bot will quietly handle the heavy lifting while you focus on growing your business. So there you have it. AI chatbots aren't just for big tech companies anymore. If this video helped, hit that like button, leave a comment with the tool you're excited to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff AI guides to grow your business smarter. All tools mentioned are linked below.